Hello viewers, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw how to create a presentation in Prezi from existing templates. In this video, I will show you how to create one from scratch. So this is your dashboard. Click on Start from Scratch. It will open up a blank template. Okay, it's now up to your creativity and your subject for which you are creating the presentation. Okay, let it load up and then we can start with this presentation building from scratch. Okay, this is how it looks. It's very simple, it's very plain. It's simply having a white screen with the introductory slide, and if you click on it, you will come to know that there are 3 more slides in between. So what you first of all need to do is, first of all, give your presentation a title. For example, I would like to make this presentation on cybersecurity. So introduction to cybersecurity. Okay, I don't need a subtitle, so delete it. Okay, let me add some background image to this particular slide, otherwise it looks really dull, right? So what you can do is right click over here and click on background. You can select any of the images from here as background, but if you want your custom image, you can upload it from your hard drive and then paste it over here. As you all know, I have already shown you how to download copyright free images from the internet, right? We have already seen how to do it in our very first lecture using the website called as pexels.com. So now it is loading up. We can see that the font is not clear. So first of all, let me change it, the color of the font. Select it, go to this color tab and click on any other color which will be visible on this background. Okay, so it's visible right now. But this particular thing looks ugly. Let me show you. It doesn't seem good, right? I want to get rid of this. So what I can do is, I can drag it over here. This is one of the things I do to make the session interesting, to make the presentation interesting. You can write something over here. For example, click me, right? And let me change the color. It looks a little dull on this black background, so let me change it. Just select the box, click on this fill color tab, and you can select any other color. Okay, so now it looks a little better. You can resize it, reshape it and place it wherever you want. So now let me present this. It looks a little interesting, right? Introduction to cybersecurity and a similar matching picture behind. Click me. So once I click over here, it will pop up. Now you can see the previous one was your introductory slide, and once I click it, this becomes your main slide. Now you can add your subtopics over here. For example, definition. I will show you how to do it. So just press escape, go inside this slide, and now you can see this is how you can edit the internal slides. So for example, give a heading cybersecurity. As we are going to discuss about cybersecurity, give a heading cybersecurity. I don't want this subtitle text over here. Let me click on this particular box. Okay, this is how it opens up. So simply click on it once and start typing. Okay, so what I can do is I can edit the text, but how? I can simply double click on it and edit the text. For example, I wish this particular slide to be on the definition of cybersecurity. This is how I can add it. Similarly over here, I want after the definitions, let me discuss about what are the various case studies. So I can write case studies on cybersecurity. And next up, I can discuss about the various career opportunities in cybersecurity. So I can write it like this: career opportunities. Okay, if you wish, you can drag and drop and resize the text box according to your wish, and this is how it looks. Don't worry about this blue image, it will not be visible when I present it. This will look something like this. What you can do is you can add an image over here. So click on this. Again, you can select any of the images either from your local hard disk, or the images provided. Over here I can see an image of a person using a card. This suits my scenario pretty well, so I can select it, because usage of cards again fall under cybersecurity. It's actually lucky for me to get this image. You can use the existing ones, or you can download any image from the websites I have already mentioned, right? So select this and crop it. So this is how it looks. If I present it, this looks something like this. The only change I need to do right now is, again, I can change the background color of this, okay, because it looks quite dull. So what I can do is I can change the background color of my wish. I can keep it red only, so as to match with the background theme, or it's entirely up to you. Whichever way you feel like, whichever aesthetics or whichever thing appeals to you more, you can use it, right? So right now it looks pretty decent for a presentation, right? So it's entirely up to you how you want to create your presentations, how you want to present it finally. I'm just showing you how you can create it in an interactive fashion, right? So this is what we're discussing about cybersecurity. You can talk about the definitions of cybersecurity, then you can discuss about the various case studies in this slide, and finally you can discuss about the various career opportunities in cybersecurity using these structures, right? So one thing I would like to tell you, you're not bounded to use only these shapes. You can keep on changing the shapes. For example, if you don't want this circular shape over here, what you can do is you can click over here, you can go to the style presets, you can change the colors. On the other hand, you can also change the shape by clicking on the style and shape layout tab. Click on these three dots and you will have a whole lot of drawer for you to select the various shapes, okay? You can keep it as a hexagon, you can change it something like this, you can have a circle with few dots around, you can have a cloud like structure, whatever you feel like you can have it, right? So now let me check how it looks if I use this cloud like structure. Okay, click me. Once I click on it, everything changes from circle to a cloud. So this is how it's really very simple to use Prezi to create presentations. Okay, so I hope you got to know how to create presentations. I would be putting up questions for you at the end of this course. Those will be real life questions, and you can create your own lectures and presentations with the help of these tools which I have shown, right? So to end this video, I would like to tell you how to share your final presentation with your students and with your friends. As I had already shown you how to create a presentation from a template in the previous video, and in this video you have already seen how to create a presentation from scratch. So what now? What next? We can share this presentation with our friends or our colleagues or our students by simply clicking on this share button and then view link. The only drawback of this free version of Prezi is you can't download your presentation. So what you can do is you can share it with your friends as a link. For example, let me give it a name, cyber security. And once you're done with the name, you click on this create link button and this link will be created. Simply copy this link and let me show you by going into an incognito window how it exactly looks like. Okay, once you are done with the link, paste it and enter it. Then you will be able to see the presentation wherever you are. Whenever you are, you can access this presentation without any glitches. Okay, this is how your presentation will look on any student's screen or on any friend's screen. Okay, so click on it and this is how it will look like. You click on this definition, the definition box pops in, and so on. So thanks for watching this particular video on presentations using Prezi from scratch. In the next video, I will show you how to create a resume in Prezi, and in the following videos, I will also show you how to create a video lecture using Prezi. So thanks a lot. Stay connected.